To show you how to maneuver an L200 Pro drone. It is a 3 km max distance and 300 meters above. So I'm going to show you how to do a sample video of taking this by taking using this drone. This is the L200 drone. This is the controller, the drone. It's a little bit not that big one, but you can do maneuver at the same time. It has a strong wind resistance, especially hindi ka nalugi sa drone na to. To show you guys some sample videos of this drone. Hopefully you enjoy. Kindly follow my Facebook page and then my YouTube channel at the same time. Do the following taking this video by using this drone, which is for vlog. It's suited for vlog, guys. So sorry because my English not that so good. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video by using this drone.